Hi, this is the VIVO Y21S and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first let's open the control panel and find somewhere here screen record icon. Hold it for a while and before starting a screen recording, you will see here record audio switcher. Just tap on the switcher to activate this option, click here and you will see the device audio, microphone or device audio and microphone together. You could use one from these available options, but if you wanna record the mute video, you should just click on the switcher to turn off this option and after that tap to this to start your screen recording. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.